How to enter code in McDonald's app. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started in this video. Now starting off, you need to launch your McDonald's application. Make sure that it is up to date, and to log in or sign up you can use the Apple ID, Facebook, Google or email. Once you are in your McDonald's application, to use your code in it, you have to order an amount. Now first and foremost, go ahead and check out the deals or check out your favorite restaurant and food items to purchase. Make sure to select the quantity and all the food items that you want to order up. You can easily edit or remove in your order section. Now, if you scroll down to the very bottom, you should find the option of add a promo code. In the given dialog box, you have to paste the promo code that is given to you. If it's a physical gift card, scratch off the protective layer, then enter the 16-digit code in your McDonald's app. If it's virtual, copy-paste the code provided to you. And by that way, you will see substantial discount in your grand total in your McDonald's app. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.